Jen here. Welcome to my channel. I am really happy you're here. If you're new here, I share projects that I do around the house, a little bit of cleaning, organizing, DIY, decorating, all for the home. I'm really happy that you're here today. So it's Wednesday, and Wednesday is my deep cleaning day, laundry day, and I like to get a project in too. I've got my to-do list here, and I'm really excited to share. Let's see if I can actually get it all done today. I'm starting out with bedding, laundry, strip the bed, and get it washed. After I get the bedding started, I move on to the small bathroom, get that cleaned, and I'm doing a little decluttering in the laundry room. Now I move on to the family room, start doing a lot of sweeping, mopping. I like this microfiber mop thing to use as my broom. Now it's time to steam mop, and I like to use some essential oils in my steam mop to make the house smell good. Sometimes those steam mops can smell stale, so I use a little essential oil. So I noticed the top of the fridge needed to be cleaned, so that's what I am taking care of now. going to be tossing probably stuff that I half made and I don't know. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, oops. So I separated into 3 piles. You probably couldn't tell, that's why I separated. So this is all that I'm gonna be donating, or I'm just gonna give it away for free to somebody. And here's a big old pile of garbage, which just sounds super wasteful, but I'm not good at crocheting, and I kept trying, and I'd start stuff and then it would fall apart and whatever. So that's all garbage. And then that little pile right over there is my keep pile. So I now have 3 empty bins. And then I need to do something with those electronics. I don't know what they are, so I'm gonna figure that out. And that's going in the garbage, or I'm going to the dump tomorrow or something like that. I don't know yet. So, oh, and then this is also keep. I just separated it. I don't know why. So anyway, that's how I do it. So now I've got to take care of this mess so then I can work on the next thing. Okay, so I thought I would show you how I put my duvet cover inside my comforter by myself. It's really, really simple. I've heard a lot of people have troubles with it, so I thought I'd show you how to do this. So I just lay the comforter over the bed, and then you take your duvet cover and you make sure that it's inside out, and then you lay it on top. Matching it, or making sure that you match up your corners. This will also tell you if you have it on sideways or on the right way. Duvets have ties that you can tie, mine doesn't. Okay, so now that it is all, now that the duvet cover is on top, I'm just gonna roll it down. So I have to go back and forth, so I'm going to speed this up. So now, once you get to this part, let's see if I can zoom in for you. So you can see this part. Okay. So I have the comforter on the bottom, and this is how it opens up. Right at the corner, so there's still a button. You flip it inside. I really hope you can see this. So you have the comforter underneath, and then you have your rolled up spot or part. You take the opening, I guess is what you call it, and then you grab the rolled up spot and flip it over. you unroll it. Unroll it. Here's the top corner right here. The other corner here, and I just kind of shake it out. The last thing on my list, it is almost 1. I've been working really hard since 8 o'clock this morning. The last thing on my list is getting all of the recycle into the bin. So after that, I'm done with my to-do list. Watching. It was a very long day and I got everything on my to-do list done. So I just have some laundry to put away and I have to cook dinner, and I think I might collapse today. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.